guys, welcome back. We just wanted to apologize for not posting in a really long time.
The reason why we weren't posting was because of school and religious reasons, and also the weather change. But we just wanted to thank you guys for sticking with us and being patient.
We have a guest with us today who's going to be dancing. So everyone welcome Mitzi! So this is one of our best friends and she's going to be dancing with us today and we hope you enjoy it. So let's get started.
Ya burrena idide jala la lonin kaba biyan be kulon tuna bede ya burrena idide jala la lonin kaba biyan be kulon tuna bede kanu barsifate abban kenya fulla muta nagada tunu gorse kanu barsifate abban kenya laal safu kam nagada nu gubbis galgala chipsati de hotenya Sibuda dengala bade wara dokse galgala chipsati de hotenya Sibuda dengala bade wara dokse Anuba tutongala Batu agabaji leolani Silawa largana ramani ashage Warke managa asimbasani Kitofariti urgama matejala Lafariti saone folini Bite gugu lufewa kajalala Sivja changaba ole naolini Gadi soda jala kantenu Jala lamalele jibbambelu Jila tore ko basa Rabbitu kenne tolche badasa Gadi soda jala kantenu Jala lamalele jibbambelu Jila tore ko basa Rabbitu kenne tolche badasa Dambalo babuna ya dambalacha dambal jataku Yo horsifatan akka warra jillati Yo bareedan akka durba jillati Yo horsifatan